If you're over 65 and waking up with stiff joints, swollen fingers, or nagging pain that just won't quit, listen closely. Because there's a golden root that's been healing people for over 4,000 years, and science says it might just be the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory on earth. It's called turmeric, but here's the thing. Most people take it the wrong way. In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take turmeric the right way for your age, for real results, less pain, more energy, and a longer, better life. Turmeric is a bright yellow root from India, known as the golden spice of life. It contains curcumin, the real superhero compound behind its powerful effects. Curcumin fights inflammation, the root cause of joint pain, brain fog, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. But here's why it matters for you. Once you hit 65, your body produces less of the natural compounds that fight inflammation. That means more aches, slower recovery, higher risk of chronic diseases. Curcumin helps bridge that gap, but only if taken correctly. Let me guess, you've tried turmeric pills from the pharmacy. You took one a day, maybe 2. You waited for relief, and nothing really changed, right? Here's why. Turmeric needs 3 things to actually work in your body. Black pepper, piperine, boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Fat, turmeric is fat-soluble. Without healthy fat, your body won't absorb it. Enough dosage, most capsules have way too little curcumin to be effective. So, when you take a tiny capsule with water alone, you're wasting 90% of the benefits. Now let's talk strategy. Here's the senior-approved, doctor-backed way to take turmeric. Option 1, golden milk recipe, great for joints plus sleep. 1 cup warm almond milk. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 pinch black pepper. Half a teaspoon coconut oil or ghee. Optional, cinnamon, honey for taste. Drink before bedtime. Option 2, turmeric smoothie, brain plus gut health. 1 banana. Half a cup frozen mango. Half a teaspoon turmeric. 1 pinch pepper. 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax. Almond milk. Option 3, cook with turmeric daily. Add to soups, eggs, rice, stews. Always pair with black pepper plus healthy oil like olive or coconut. How much is safe? Aim for 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin daily from food or supplements with piperine. Thousands of seniors are already seeing the difference. Here are just a few stories. Joyce, 71. I couldn't knit or garden for months. My daughter made me turmeric tea every day, and within 3 weeks, less swelling, more mobility. Peter, 68. Turmeric and black pepper smoothie every morning. My knee pain is cut in half. I can walk to church without a cane now. Gloria, 76. I started adding turmeric to my stews. I feel sharper, my digestion's better, and I sleep like a baby. And research backs it up. One study found 50% pain reduction in arthritis patients using turmeric. Another showed turmeric working as well as ibuprofen, without the side effects. Before you rush off to buy turmeric, here's a quick safety guide just for you. Number 1, check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners, like warfarin. Turmeric can increase bleeding risk. Number 2, avoid high doses if you have gallstones or ulcers. Number 3, always start small, 1/2 teaspoons per day and build up. Other tips. Store turmeric in a cool, dry place, heat destroys curcumin. Fresh root is great, but powder works just as well when paired correctly. Make it a habit, link it to your meals, tea time, or bedtime. Remember, it's not a magic bullet. But when used right, turmeric can support your joints, memory, and vitality, so you can keep doing what you love, without the pain. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, it helps more seniors find natural solutions. Subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips every week. And tell us in the comments. Have you tried turmeric before? What results did you notice? We read every single one.